Hare Krishna, Dhanavad pranams to all. How are you all? Uh, Chalo, today we'll discuss something about what is spirituality. Let us discuss something. What is spirituality? Spirituality is basically, it is just keeping the uh, mind, soul, and intelligence together. When mind, soul, and intelligence is in one direction, so the person is so much peaceful and happy. So spirituality is about keeping the mind, soul, and body together. Nowadays we see that it is so much important to keep uh, mind, body, and soul together. See, if now the mind, body, and soul together acts in a similar way, acts in a similar way, is in a one line process, one process, one way. So it becomes so much easy. If that happens, if that happens, that mind is thinking about different, then soul is always in happiness, but mind is the thing that it wants this, that, and so many things. So basically, when the mind, body, soul, intelligence, when they are aligned, when they are in one direction, only then we can find peace and happiness. So many people say that what is spirituality, and so many people have so many questions. But spirituality does this thing, that it keeps the mind, body, soul, intelligence in one line. And when this happens, so one becomes happy and peaceful. So if you want to become happy and peaceful, you should take to spirituality. So many people say that spirituality, its age is in old age. It's in old age. So it is not like that. If in spirituality should be taken right from childhood, or not childhood, then at the earliest as possible, because there are many factors to that. For example, sometimes people say, oh, we don't have time. They have time for all the other things, but when it comes to the spirituality, please tell how make mind stable at lotus feet of Krishna. Please discuss it. Yes, Krishnaholic, alcoholic, we will discuss that too. First, let us see that what is the practicality of spirituality, or why we should take it to the earliest. Let us few points I have just noted down. So many people say that there is no time. Many people have this complaint. Those people have time for all things. We consider all things important, but when it comes to spirituality, so we consider we just procrastinated. We don't consider that important, but it is so important. People have time for all the other things, but people say no time for spirituality. The second conception is it is for old ones and not for youth. But no, nowadays we only see that no one has seen, matlab, so many people don't get also, matlab, old age aata hi nahi, and they are about to give up like that. So it is not like that it is meant for old age. So spirituality is meant for youth. In Shastras, in Srimad Bhagavatam also, so many examples are given. Dhruv Maharaj was just 5 years old. At that time he started practicing spirituality, and means Dhruv Maharaj, he did bhakti, he did bhajan for just 6 months, and Lord gave darshan, and he was just 5 years old. So what would be the level of doing bhakti? Literally in 6 months doing bhakti, and Lord gave him sakshat darshan. So much intensity, so much purity of bhakti. Also Prahlad Maharaj was started bhakti from young age. So there are so many examples that many start doing bhakti from early age, so that is quite good. And if at all we would have come to know little late, no issues, but we have to start to the earliest. So the other is other points are easy for training, means whenever if we want to gain something, means if we are in we want a good college, because people have no patience, everybody wants results rapidly without doing karma. Exactly, everyone believed, yes, actually, in spirituality there might be that you will get results little late. Actually, it's not like you will get results late, you get results, because you means you whatever work you do, so you get its results, obvious. So so easy for training, whenever, means we want some good college, so we start preparing at the earliest whenever exams are there. So we start preparing at the earliest. For example, uh, if you want to make furniture, so the wood is kya bolte hain, it is hardwood is not taken, soft wood is taken, something it's like that. Cement is, it is little bit which we can mold in that way. So young mind have capacity to understand difficult things, obviously. See, means, people say sometimes, are spirituality mein kya karna rehta hai? It is not like that. So many things we have to is there to do in spirituality. मतलब खूब भजन करो, खूब शास्त्र पढ़ो, go to holy places, worship spiritual master, be with Vaishnava, so many things. तो मतलब जब भी माइंड, when the early young minds है, so they will have capacity to understand things in a very good way, for example of shastras, Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam. So if when we are young, तो we can take out time कि रोज एक श्लोक पढ़ेंगे or something like that. But many times we find that in old age you will take this and you will not understand, because at that time eyes will be there are so many problems with eyes and reading, hearing, so many problems. So when we are young in age, we have lot of energy, lot of enthusiasm, we can when we can understand difficult things as well. So it is the right time. The other point is more time to practice. Yeah, more time to practice. So we see that whoever have become successful in their careers, for example, means agar any cricketer or any singer, so they would we could come to know that they would have started from the young age itself. So then they would have developed the qualities and the essential things for it. So, and obviously practice makes man perfect. So whichever thing we do, there should be time given for practice. So when we start at the early age, so there will be more time to practice. So one more point is strong senses when we are young. So senses are strong: eyes, ears, speaking ability, then walking ability, running, doing service, and so many things. Senses are strong. See, sometimes it is the thing like, who have given us senses, who have given us body? Obviously Lord Krishna. So it is some people do and some don't do, that is the other thing. But who have given us, so it should be used for his service. So that is also the thing, why it should be started from early age. And in this Bhagavad Gita, it is said that even slight moment of sincere devotional service can give one complete perfection. So much perfection also we can achieve. Many people give this reasons that my desire is I want to enjoy life. Many people say like that, okay? they want to enjoy life. But you will see you will see, this is the practical example as experience as well. You will see that, when you come into spirituality, you become even more happy. There is this, there are so many kirtans going on. When you listen kirtans, you become, oh my god, so blissful presence. I love kirtans. Then you go to temple, you become so happy. Then yatras and so many things. It is not like my desire is to enjoy life, so I don't want to do. Spirituality is nothing. It is not telling you that you don't enjoy, but just enjoy. Keeping Lord with you, and you in that you enjoy very much. Literally very much, you enjoy very much. Other people who say that I don't know Sanskrit. So many people say that because Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam is in Sanskrit. But it is not so. Means, when you read, the meanings and the purports are given in English. So we don't have this excuse that I don't know Sanskrit, so let it be. You can in whichever language you are comfortable, so that language it is available, and you can read it. The others say that very few practice this path, very few practice. So it is not like that, but it is, means diamond everybody can't afford, means everybody, diamond is not so, you can't see it everywhere. Only few people get the diamond, so we should value that. And that is also the thing. Some people say, see, happiness can't be bought. Heart is always looking for fulfillment. Happiness, it can't be bought, and heart is always looking for fulfillment. Sabhi, for example, suppose you open a tap and their water is not coming. So you will complain, your water is not coming, so there is no water at all. You would say like that. But it is not like that. Where water is there, if there we dig, then we will definitely get water. So this also it is compared that happiness in this world, I'm not saying in negative way, but this is said that happiness is there, but it is like a mirage. You can see it from far away and far, and when you go near, so it gets lost, because there is little happiness in this material world, but compared to that spiritual world, there is so much happiness. Whatever we see here in this material world is all reflection of spiritual world. So in spiritual world and spirituality, there is so much happiness. Truly, there is so much happiness. So we need to have there are 4 levels of growth actually. First is physical growth, growth as well as you can say need as well. Physical need, then emotional need, intellectual growth, emotional growth, and 4th is metaphysical spiritual. This is in the science. So this science itself tells that there are these levels. So we need to work on all aspects. Now we'll see that mind's function is intelligence. Mind's function is intelligence. So by spirituality, intelligence gets sharp. Isn't that great thing? So when intelligence and discrimination gets sharp, determination gets sharp, so one can achieve anything, and this happens by spirituality. That is so great thing of spirituality. So there are so many advantages of spirituality. So many things we see in this world as well. So mind discrimination, we have to discriminate between good and bad, right and wrong. So these are the 3 functions of intelligence. First is Desire. We all have desires, you know, we have so many desires. Then second is discrimination, and third is determination. Okay. So we will see.